All right, Rankin family. So welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at Shea Homes. Now this property is right here in Katy, Texas. It's in the community of Cane Island. Just kind of for personal reference, I showcased that one about 3-4 months ago. It was my second highest viewed video on this channel. So folks loved it and we're right here next to it. So I'm going to showcase this entire property. That way you can see what we're working with. Now, this is the courtyard. Immediately, you're greeted with this courtyard area. It's absolutely fantastic. And the good thing is you have that long walkway. So that way you have your own exclusive privacy and you don't have to worry. And this is your nice oversized covered front porch. And then what we'll do is we'll walk in here so that way you can see exactly what it would look like when you are greeted. Wow, look how fantastic this is right here. Even looking in the great room, you have the beautiful exposed wooden beams, the cathedral-like ceilings right there. You have your sliding door plus your electric fireplace with the tile as well. Now, it's absolutely oversized, which is fantastic. If you can imagine, the entire family could fit in here. I don't care if you have 20, 30, 40 people, this is perfect. And then even looking at the beautiful kitchen right here, you're going to have your beautiful stacked cabinets on top. You're going to have your large island with granite countertops right here. You have the two colored cabinetry right here. As you can tell, you have your, darker grayish, light darker grayish with your navy blue right here. And it's absolutely beautiful. Now, as you can see, this backsplash right here is very unique. I think it does a great job of popping out or bringing out the colors in the granite countertops. And you have your 5-burner stainless steel stovetop right there. And look how beautiful this is. Just going into your breakfast nook area right here. Look at all the windows all along here. The granite countertops extends this way. Let me know in the comments what you folks think about that extension right there. And this is a pan of what it would actually look like. And don't worry, we're going to get in every single room so that way you know what's going on. But just take one more beautiful look at the great room. Okay, so now you're going to have your formal dining right here. You're going to have the crown molding on top, the mini tray ceilings as well. And you definitely have plenty of space. Now you would be overlooking the courtyard area. You got your window grids right there. I might eliminate, in my opinion, I would eliminate the window grid so that way you have that nice see-through window so that way you can see everything. But that's just my opinion. Absolutely gorgeous. You have that beautiful lighting fixture that we always love right here as well. And then let's head this way. So as soon as you walk into the property, let's go to the left and we'll start all the way back here. Now, as you can already tell, this one is massive. So let's start back here so you can see what we're working with. This is going to be our first bedroom right here. You definitely have plenty of space. Even when you're going down that hallway, you notice the the exclusion, right? Or seclusion rather. And you have your nice plush carpeting inside of here. You have your 5-inch baseboards with the molding as well with your nice walk-in closet right here. And this is going to be a Jack and Jill. You're going to have dual sinks inside of here. You're going to have your beautiful lighting fixture as well right there. And of course, you got your toilet plus your shower tub combo right here. And then let's go to the second bedroom. As you can tell, they definitely didn't skimp on any space, even with the 2 mini nightstands with the queen size bed. You can tell you definitely have plenty of space. Now, of course, they have about 3 to 4 that are still in inventory right now that are available, very similar, depending on the different floor plans that you want. And they're planning to sell this one off in the summertime. So once they get everything taken care of, they'll sell this one off. Let's go to the bedroom that we missed, which is this one. You have the bathroom that's attached to it right here. course, you got the uniformity as far as the lighting fixtures and things like that. You got your standard ceiling fan right here. You have that nice vintage wallpaper on the back right here. So you definitely have plenty of space. Even going into the walk-in closets, you definitely have plenty of room as well. Okay, so that was the third bedroom. Let's go ahead and continue down the hallway. And I'll make sure to open all the doors for you so that way you can see what we're working with. Got your nice coat closet with some storage shelving in there as well. And then this will be your study. So as you can tell, you have the accent walls on both sides. Got your 5-inch baseboards. Again, continuing here with the beautiful candlelight chandelier coming down right over your desk. And you can tell you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. You got your double French doors as well with the glass panes. And let's take a look. We'll continue down the hallway. And this will be your primary bedroom. Fantastic. So you got the bay windows over there. Look how much space you have inside of here. They definitely didn't skimp on it whatsoever. That's a king size bed with 2 oversized nightstands. And you definitely have plenty of space. I'll pan right here so you can see again what we're working with. Great. And I love the mini tray ceilings on the top right there. Beautiful chandelier coming down again. And then let's take a look at the primary bathroom. Now you got your rectangular soak-in tub right there. Granite countertops with the his and her sink. Now, in my opinion, I think it would look fantastic if you were to add a sliding door right here. But let me know what you think about that. If you can imagine taking a nice long bath right there. It just looks extremely relaxing without a doubt. And then I'll pan right here so you can see, even going into your walk-in shower, you have your shower bench right here. You definitely have plenty of space inside of here. So that's even better. And then this is going to be your nice size walk-in closet. So this will be this side right here. And then I'll pan this way so that way you can see the other side as well. So you got the plush carpeting in here. Got your tile flooring inside of the bathroom. And as you can tell, this is one of those ones that you definitely are going to be happy once you buy something like this. I mean, without a doubt, depending on if you have a large family, this will be fantastic for you. I'll make sure I showcase this way. And of course, you know how we always talk about sometimes the sales office is going to be the garage, but it would be converted once you move in, or prior to you moving in rather. So this is your nice size utility room. Look how much space you have for your oversized washer and dryer. Even looking at the cabinets right here, you have that sleek look with the cabinet crowns on top. And then let's take a look at the pantry. So you have a nice size pantry right here, which is fantastic. And then let's go ahead and go upstairs. So you have the plush carpeting again. You have 2 ways that you can go. Let's start to the right. And look at this, your nice oversized game room inside of here. So again, you got some more vintage wallpaper. Look, just for reference, as you can tell, you have your pool table with your chairs, with your awning right here. And look how much room you have. So this will essentially be your half story right here. You got your sink, of course, with your lighting fixture, and then this area right here. So look how fantastic this is. This is perfect for entertaining guests, having fun with the fam. And look how beautiful that is. I'll pan down here so you can see what we're working with. Wow, you can't go wrong with that. Okay, so that was this side. Let's go to this left side right here. That way you can see the media room. Wow. Plenty of space inside of here. Gorgeous. Now, if you can imagine having the friends over for NFL Sundays, or if you like NBA, depending on what you like, you definitely have enough room inside of here. And then, of course, that window, you can easily cover that just how they have right there. So that way you can block off any sunlight coming in, give you a better feel. All right, let's go downstairs and make sure we didn't miss any area. And then this would all be converted right here to your garage. Perfect. So if you notice, you have your sliding door and the door, easy access door right here. So depending on your mood for that day, you can do both. Okay, and this is your nice extended oversized covered backyard patio. You got your granite countertops that extends out here again with the built-in stainless steel grill. You got your refrigeration right there as well. Wow. You can add as much patio equipment as you need inside of here, and it won't feel too cluttered. You'll still have plenty of space. And this is the size of the backyard. Keep in mind, folks, again, they will be selling off the model come summertime, like I said. So if you love the location, you love the lot, this is on close to a cul-de-sac as well. So you'll have your own privacy. And that, folks, is Shea Homes. All right, Rankin family, so that is it for this tour. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. They do have 3 to 4 other homes that are from this builder on the market in this community. So if you are interested and would love to leverage my relationship with this builder to get the best deals and the best incentives, reach out to the contact information below. Consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.